Hey guys, it's Alison from our national adventure, and we arrived back in Georgia safely. We're getting our backyard geared up for the summer, and we're super excited for this product. It's from Emerging Green, and it's a swing set. Basically, it's a complete swing that you can put up in a tree. And we've got an awesome tree in our backyard, so come along as we put it together. If you like this tree swing, we've got a link in the description down below so you can click on it and get your own for your own backyard. Thanks again for watching, subscribing, and liking this video.
So behind me is the old tree swing that we've had since Kiara was 2 and Chloe and Carolina weren't even born yet. So it's been around for about 5 years and it's due to be replaced. Super excited to be able to replace it with this tree swing. Let's hope it goes well. This tree is huge. It's over 20 feet tall, and the branch that the tree swings from is actually, well, it's tall. I don't know exactly how tall it is, but it's huge. So I'll show you. It's we were really lucky when we moved in that the guys who were removing a couple trees, they were very good at throwing rope. They threw the rope up in the tree and they hit the branch at like the perfect spot. And we've had nothing but great times with this tree swing. So I'm hopeful that I'll be able to take this swing down and still preserve the rope that's already up there so that I don't run into any problems. So unwrapping the swing, it comes with the board that you sit on and then 2 ropes that, obviously you would attach to a higher rope, or if you've got a lower branch tree, you would just take these and you would attach it to the tree itself, which is nice. Or you can attach it like I'm going to a taller rope that extends down 20 feet from the tree. This is an outrageous tree. It's very, very, very large. It's amazing for the kids to play on. But in a typical tree, this comes with everything you need just to strap it onto the tree itself and then start playing and start swinging. So for me though, I'm actually going to take these off. Instead of taking it and attaching this part to a tree, what you do, you just wrap it around the tree so that the branch itself is like that, I think, and then just hook it back into this like that. For me, I'm just gonna do that with rope, and it'll give me more security with the rope itself and should be easy for them to swing on. Got the old rope and the new rope. It's funny because they're both in. I'd say the hardest part was taking out the knots. Other than that, it's very simple to put up. So they've made it super easy, very easy with the hooks and the rope itself. It's very sturdy and durable, and I'm very glad that we have a new swing up. The girls will be super excited to try it out. I always figure if I can get on it, then my girls are gonna have no trouble whatsoever. So I'm usually the test.